End position cushioning. Normal single acting and double acting cylinders, while moving heavy loads, may undergo sudden impacts at the end of strokes. This sudden deceleration may cause damage to the load of or cylinder or to the pneumatic system itself. To avoid this problem, end position cushioning is provided in cylinders, needle wall, port, end cap port, set screw, check wall, plunger, and piston. In this piston raw end, in this the piston end is provided with a plunger or a cushioning piston. The air inlet port is such that it matches with the cushioning plunger size. At the end of stroke, the cushioning piston mates with the inlet port and blocks the direct flow path for the air. The exhaust air now passes through a small adjustable restricted opening. Since air cannot pass out easily, the restricted flow through small openings provides a cushioning effect to the decelerating cylinder. Thus, in the last part of the stroke, the piston speed gets reduced gradually, which otherwise would have been stopped instantly. The area of the restricted flow path, hence, the cushioning effect can be adjusted with an adjustable screw. For the onward stroke, since the main entry is blocked by the cushioning plunger, a bypass check wall is provided. The air passes freely through the check wall against a bias spring pressure. During cushioning action, in the retraction mode, the check wall is non-operational, hence no air can escape through it. Rodless cylinders, as the name suggests, these are cylinders without any rod extending from them. A rodless cylinder has a barrel with rodless piston. In some applications where there is not enough space is available for the rod extension, or where the stroke length required is too high, then rodless cylinders are quite useful. Air input, barrel, magnetic external follower, magnetic piston. Air input. In this, the piston is rodless and is freely movable within the cylinder barrel. The piston has no positive or rigid connection to the external member for actuation. The piston has a set of annular magnets fitted around it. The external member or actuator is a magnetic follower, and it is linked to the piston due to magnetic coupling between them. As the piston moves under fluid pressure, the external sliding member moves in synchronization with it. The load to be moved is mounted on a carriage, which in turn is connected to the magnetic slide. Hence, when the slide moves, the carriage along with the load moves in the direction of movement of the piston. Advantages: the construction of the cylinder is simple as the barrel is sealed from both ends. Such a cylinder has no rod extending from the cylinder and convenient for space contained applications. The cylinder can be used for extreme stroke lengths. Flatbed carriages can be used for carrying the loads. The construction can be made compact by concealing the cylinder below the carriage.